Here to tell us why getting organized may be the key to a passionate love life is Zen organizer Regina Leeds.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Nice to see you.
To see you.
All right, so you have clients that range from actresses to big businessmen, all sorts of people.
Housewives, everybody in between, yes.
Yes, and you're saying to us that if you organize your closet, you'll have a better love life.
Yes, because getting organized is not just a technical thing, it's really an expression of self-love and self-respect. And when people come into your environment and they feel that, they are drawn to being with you, you are happier, you're healthier. It's a secret aphrodisiac, I really believe that. Patty, I want to thank you for letting me see your master bedroom closet. Now, I'm going to guess that in the morning, when you come in to find your wardrobe for the day, you have a bit of a drama and sometimes some upset because you can't find what you need in this crush.
It's not easy to find things. And then, of course, everything that I do find has to be ironed.
All right. Well, let's do away with that. Let's see if in the new closet we can have it designed and built in such a way that we can't alleviate the stress in this closet. One of the first things is I love the weights and the fan being in here, but they need to come out. We can only have clothes in a clothes closet. You know, I have a client, and I swear this is true. The strangest thing I ever found in a closet was her husband's previous wife's ashes.
What?
Yes, that's a true story, and she's going to kill me for telling it, but they were on the bottom of the closet, and I said, no, no.
That's not right.
No, it's not right. It's not right. Well, I like to think that this is part of a conscious process, so that instead of just making closets look pretty and shelves look neat, what you're doing is organizing your environment so that it enables you and supports you to do whatever work you came here to do in your life. So it's organizing with a spiritual perspective, I could say.
So let's show the audience a before shot of what the room looked like.
Oh.
Sad little room.
And you know, the basic problem with that room is the same thing that happens at home. You know, everybody comes through the house and they throw things on the living room, on the couch, on the floor. There are 3 steps to getting organized, and the first is to eliminate what you don't need. So we took out what didn't belong there. Then we put everything in categories, and then I called the Container Store, my trusty friends at the Container Store, and I got some really great products.
Great. Well,
yeah, let's go see.
There you go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Already, my God.
See? Okay, I got this wonderful. Shoe racks are great. Get your shoes out of shoe boxes. These are your colored shoes. Those are your black shoes. Those are your tennis shoes.
Yeah, my shoes were all up here. Every pair of shoes
gone.
Were
Boxes
up here.
Gone. This is your domain. So tell me, now that the kitchen is Zen organized, what are some of your favorite new features?
Well, the fact that it's uncluttered is my #1 feature, and the fact that we can find a lot of the things that we had tucked away in sides of drawers, bottoms of drawers. Now, every place has its own little place to live, and it's really cool being able to just open a drawer up, and whatever you need, if you're cooking in the middle of a dish, that you can go there, find what you need, and, you know, finish your dish. It's good.
Makes me so happy. It's obvious just looking that we did your closet by type of clothing and by color. And sometimes people say to me they're a little afraid of being able to maintain this. So I just want to tell you there's a trick here.
Oh.
I do, in each color area, I do, for instance, in the blouses, sleeveless, short sleeve, long sleeve. And I do patterns behind solids. The other thing is all the clothes are facing one direction. So when you look in, you don't have to do this and then go to the other side. And these things, when I tell people to do that, they sound almost too simple to make a difference. But I think you can tell it makes your closet very restful. There's an old saying, as within, so without. And it's not usually applied to clutter, but I do apply it that way. And I'll say to my clients, now if you want to know how you think, open a drawer or open a closet. And when you look inside, the way that stuff is arranged, you know, if it's going 90 miles an hour and you can't find anything, or you open up a closet and things fall on you, that's an indication of what your thought process is. So if you can calm the outside and have a calm, peaceful environment that supports you, you can also calm down your thoughts. And that's the whole goal for me of being organized, is to have a calm, peace-filled, directed life.